Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the foundation. Pick a theme that fits your workflow and mood: dark for focus, light for clarity, or custom RGB accents for personality. Next, install a minimal set of extensions: a custom new tab, a theme manager, and a high-quality wallpaper source. These give immediate visual change. Once done, enable Chrome Sync so your bookmarks, extensions, and passwords follow you. This makes the look consistent across devices and prevents repeating setup. Now refine the layout and typography to make Chrome feel intentional. Start by tailoring the new tab page, add widgets, set shortcut tiles, and choose a layout preset that prioritizes what you use. Then adjust fonts. Pick a family and set sizes and minimum pixel values so text remains crisp at all zoom levels. This improves legibility and balance. Meanwhile, apply 1 to 2 accent colors and a single icon pack so the toolbar and extensions appear cohesive. Finish by polishing performance and validating choices. Clear a light cache and restart Chrome so theme assets and extensions load properly. Make sure to preview themes and major extensions in an incognito profile to confirm they behave without saved data interfering. If something breaks or Chrome lags, disable extensions one by one to isolate conflicts, then remove the culprit or replace it with a lighter alternative. Finally, export your theme and extension list so you can restore this aesthetic quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.